Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to present the assignment of EBT 109 Engineering Quality Control. The topic we are going to discuss how to implement Total Quality Management (TQM) in a metal processing factory.
Hi, my name is Nurufizana binti Muhammad Isnin from RK12 Material Engineering. For introduction, first is application of quantitative methods and human resources. Second is improve processes within an organization, exceed customer needs and now and in the future, a management system for a customer-focused organization that involves all employees in continual improvement. And lastly is user strategy, data in effective communication.
I'm Beatrice Marian from RK56 and this is Total Quality Management. Total Quality Management requires basic focus on committed and involved management, internal and external customer, effective involvement and utilization of workforce, continuous improvement, treating suppliers as partners, and lastly, establish performance measure for the processes. Here is the simplified 6 principle of quality management. First is leadership, second, customer satisfaction, third, employee involvement, fourth, continuous improvement, fifth, supplier partnership, lastly, performance measurement. We will see how these 6 principles will be implemented in a metal processing factory.
My name is Toshan Hui from RK12 Materials Engineering. Now I would like to present the literature review of this assignment. Before we do the assignment, we have found a research about total quality management. This research is carried out by Mr. Afhinat Toshan on 2014. Tata Steel is one of the most popular metal processing factory in the world. Tata Steel has been implementing total quality management for business excellence formally since the late 1980s. The research is going to study the concepts and practice and the implementation of total quality management across the world and in Tata Steel India. Besides, it is a study on Tata Steel India from description of total quality management practice which was given to JUSE for applying Deming Grants Prize on 2012. He has selected 22 research papers in Tata Steel India to complete the research. Next, the research is going to study the journey of Tata Steel in field of quality and total quality management practice at Tata Steel. Leadership is the first principle of the total quality management. As a leader in metal processing factory, the leader should understand the process of the process of production line. The leader should understand how to produce a good quality of metal to provide to the market. The leader should understand the materials that using to produce a good metal and to select a good supplier. The characteristic that the leader choose a supplier is based on the quality, not price. Next, the leader should create a clear vision for the company, for the factory, and make sure all the staff are involved in the total quality management to make sure to improve the quality of the product. The leader also need to empower rather than control the situation, and the leader need to understand all the steps that the staff are going to produce the product.
Hi, my name is Siti Aisyah Farhana. I am from RK56 Metallurgical Engineering. Next is customer satisfaction. Customer is very important for us, company and factory. So we need to know who is our customer. There are two types of customer, which is internal customer and external customer. External customer is who receive the final product. That means that they does not involve in the process and occur normally at the organization level. Internal customer is occur in the process and cross-departmental level within the company. Okay, so there are the guidelines that we can identify the customer and what part of the product are produced. For example, metal processing, and who use our part of product, and what do we call and interact with the customer, and who supply the input to the process. Okay.
Third is employee involvement. Employee have to have proper education and training. The cost of education and training is very enormous, and the time to achieve it is very lengthy. The educational needs may vary by function area, department, and job. Quality Council may want to establish a project team for the planning of the program. So, employees have to be very freely shared knowledge and experience for the teams. And they also have to be very innovative in the organization's objective, especially inside a metal processing factory.
Hi, my name is Nur Syahida Mansur and I'm from RK56 Metallurgical Engineering. Now we will take a look on continuous process improvement. How continuous process improvement will help in metal processing factories. There is several phases that in problem solving. Identify the opportunity from a team, define the scope, develop a comprehensive chapter that specifies authority, objective and scope, composition, direction and control, and lastly general are included in phase 1. Phase 2 is analyze the current process. Phase 3 will be develop the optimal solution. The fourth phase is implement change. The fifth phase is study the result. The sixth phase is standardize the solution, and lastly plan for the future. There is 8 steps in application of this principle. First is make continual improvement of product, process, and system. Second, apply the basic improvement concept of incremental improvement and breakthrough improvement. Third is use periodic assessments against established criteria of excellence to identify areas for potential improvement. Fourth is continually improve the efficiency and effectiveness at all processes. The fifth is promote prevention-based activities. The sixth is provide every member of the organization with appropriate education. Seventh step is establish measure and goals to guide and track improvement. And lastly is recognize improvement.
Next is supplier partnership. Supplier partnership is defined as the discipline, the strategical planning for and managing all interaction with the third-party organization that supply goods and services to your organization in order to maximize the values of those interaction. On average of 40% or more of product or service cost is due to procurement. The supplier should be treated as an extension of the processes. There are 2 requirements. First is long-term relationship with the suppliers, and the second point is a good supplier management. For long-term relationship with suppliers, there are many aspects. For example, first, negotiate with honesty. Second, be fair. Third, pay invoice on time. And the last point is the very important aspect is maintain the open communication lines. And for the good supplier management, as we know, today's market are very global than ever. As a supplier, we must be able to offer our services whenever they need it, especially in a quick waste, precise, and consistently performance.
Next is performance measure. Okay, performance measure we can measure by service and filing error. Filing error means that we identify and investigate where is the error in the filing, and second is sales. Sales means that we need to promote and make sure that the sales are improved and increased time by the time.
The second characteristic of performance measurement is production. The management of the factory should able to make sure that the raw materials using to produce a product can efficiency. Next is the management of the factory need to make sure that the stock of raw materials and the stock of final product in the warehouse is complete and able to provide to the customer when they are sales. Next is on-time delivery. It is very important for factory. The management of the factory should make sure that the final product that's sent to the customer, included external customer or internal customer, can be on time.
So in conclusion, we know that house total quality management is very important in metal processing factories. Total quality management is an enhancement to the traditional way of doing business. Total quality management is a proven technique to guarantee survival in world-class competition by making continuous improvement a culture and focusing on customers. Total quality management looks at the overall quality measures used by a company, including managing quality design and development, quality control and maintenance, quality improvement, and quality assurance. Total quality management takes into account all quality measures taken at all levels and involving all company employees. Thank you.